Alright YouTubers, today instead of fishing I'm going to smoke this piece of pork loin we had left over from Super Bowl weekend. Just lately I've been practicing on my barbecue and done some food baby back ribs, and then I done a pork loin which was sliced in 3 and then braided. I'll show you a picture of that later. But this was what was left of a 12-pound pork loin. So what we're going to do, we're just going to get it out. I'm going to pat it down. Nice. So what's that? I reckon that's about 5 or 6 pound. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cross hatch this, so just get my knife out. So I'm going to cross hatch this across the top about 1/2 inch down. All the way across. Leaving about 3/4 inch strips. Turn it around and do the other way. And circles. Just need some right. That's good. There we go. Alright, give it another pat down. Sweet. Alrighty, all patted down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to inject it with some Creole butter from Tony's. So, got a little jar. Pop that lid off. Smells good. Let's give it a shake. And this is readily available. So, get that in there. And drop that in there. Smell all those spices. Yeah, only. So, what I'm going to do, plunge it into the meat about 3/4 of an inch. Start pumping it up. Oh yeah. Let's get it in there. Do all the cubes. Left in the syringe, just get rid of it all. There you go. So there we have it. Out the way. So that's now all got the butter in it and all the spices in the actual meat. So that's gonna cook inside when we put it on the grill outside. Next, we're gonna put some seasoning over it. So let's get some salt. Just regular old rock salt. Some black pepper. Oh yeah. And then we're going to use some Killer Hogs barbecue rub. I'm going to do, pop this open, new, like I said, change up from fishing and do some cooking, so let's get some, sprinkle that over there, give it loads, don't be afraid. Get that all on there. Oh, that looks so good. And then we're going to use some garlic butter. Again, this is just a rub we put on. Oh yeah. Pat that on. I'm gonna flip it over and repeat. Salt, pepper, some barbecue rub. Now we can stick the bar. Let's get it on. Oh yeah. Pat it all in. Get it right in there. So this will be my top. It'll come more apparent later when I put it on the grill, why this will be the top. I'll leave it in the fridge for about an hour or two, let all that soak in, and then we'll go outside and we'll put it on the grill. Join me then. Alrighty, back again. So here's something I'm gonna mix up to make a glaze. It's a apricot preserve and orange marmalade. I'm gonna mix these up. So I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'm gonna use that as a glaze on the pork tenderloin. Alrighty, about ready to fire up the grill. Get the flamethrower. It's not working. There we go. I got my wood chips in the tray, so that there's smoke. That goes in the bottom. We then get the flamethrower out, and we fire up the grill. Get the old block working. There we go. Sweet. And then we'll start cooking. We'll cook a pork loin at 220, 240 degrees, and that'll be on there for an hour. And we'll check it every hour. Inside temperature needs to be 140. Let's go. Alright, YouTubers. It's been on there for about a couple of hours in the fridge. It's all soaked in and that look good. So we're now going to put it on the grill. Grill set at 220. Put it on there for an hour. Come back and check it. Spray it. Pineapple juice, it's normally good. And now after about an hour and a half, we're going to put some glaze on it. That's going to really taste good. So let's get it on the grill. good to go. Alrighty, let's get out of here. Get you cooking. Sweet. We'll go back and check. And we'll speak to you soon. Alrighty, here we go. So it's been an hour. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, starting to get there. Internal temperatures at 96. We need to get it to 140, so we're going to get some of the drizzle. I'm going to put that on the top. We're going to brush it in. This is going to create a glaze. Give it that sweet pork taste. Just good. Right. Alrighty. Close the lid. Check back later. Alrighty, it's been 3 hours. The temperatures inside the meat is 138, so it's about good enough. There it is. Looks pretty good. Let's get it out. See what it looks like. Oh, yummy. Oh, look at that. Perfect timing. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. Nope. And it's pretty good. So juicy. How juicy that is. Yeah, that butter coming out of it. Looks real good. Oh yeah. There it is. Glazed, stuffed pork, tenderloin. Hope you enjoy. What you like. Let me know if you need any more cooking videos.